How to delete recent emojis on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Reset below. And then, select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode over here. This will delete all your keyboard dictionary, as well as all your recently used emojis. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily delete recent emojis on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.